I'm going to show you how to install a smart thermostat model. I've got here is the SEA-TRV. Now before you do this, what you want to do is go on to you want to go online to the App Store, whichever Android or mobile setup you've got, Apple, and you want to download Smart Life app, and then within the Smart Life app, what you want to do is download the Zigbee Smart Gateway, which is to power the hub, so that'll be connected to your to your modem. Okay, so you need all of that done before you come to this point. So the first thing you want to do is take off the radiator valve that you've got on there. This is a Danfoss, is the one that I'm replacing. So in the actual box, what you're given is you're given a set of different types of collars almost to put on the top of here for the smart thermostat to connect to on the top, so it's to bridge the two. So open that up. I know for the Danfoss one, it's this particular one here. So you want a thread at the top. So and it sort of opens out. You can sort of open it out slightly to just get it on. Pull it down until it gets to the bottom. Just make sure that there's no gap there. It's at the bottom. Then you want to put the little nut on the other side, and then put the screw on this side. Stick it in like that. And get a screw. Just tighten it up. Puts it on. Next thing you want to do is open this up so you can put the batteries in. So there's a little thing here you push with your finger and then slide it off. You've got two batteries, two AA batteries. So slip that in. One, and then two, and then put that back in. Okay, you'll see this light up. Don't worry if it's upside down, because we'll cure that later on. What you want to do is screw this in all the way down. And then while you're doing that, just make sure, if you want, that this is facing out the way so you can actually see it. But the truth is, once you've got this all up and running, you'll run everything off the app anyway, so you really don't need to see this at all. I know that it says there's manual adjustment at the top, but you don't worry. So anyway, click it once and you'll start to see it flashing. And all you're going to wait is for that to stop flashing. You're doing that, put everything back. So I'm keeping all of these, so if I move house, then I can put these back on, the old ones, and take these ones with me to the new house. So don't be in a rush to get rid of these.
You also use different collars for different types of radiators.
Yes, there's 3 different types of radiators in there, yeah. Okay, so what you're waiting for this to do is just to change from that. We'll see in a minute. What's happening inside is there's a lot of, I'd probably describe it as a piston that goes up and down on the valve, and it's just working out, just touching the valve to and fro. So this is the temperature set here. Don't worry about that. What you want to do, you want to go, it's upside down, but you can see it's got 28, 27, 26. Go all the way down till you get to off, and it can't go any further than that. Okay, and then what you do is hold it down until those 2 dashes appear. Now in your instructions, so that's in pairing mode now. So on the phone, what we can do is we can, let's have a look, go to there, go to that. Okay, so I go into the Zigbee Smart Gateway, and then I go add device, and it says LED already blinking. Well, that is it. There's no blinking at all. That's it in pairing mode. So hit that. What it's going to do is going to search for it now. It's looking for it.
Brightness down your phone. It's too bright for the camera to pick up.
I don't know how to do that.
Right. Yeah, turn this down.
Okay.
So this is it pairing?
Yeah. Hopefully it is. There we go. That's it done. You didn't actually need to press that. I sort of interrupted that. And then you can see that it's given the number of the radiator there. It's not really... You probably want to change that to something more meaningful. So what you can hit is you can hit done. Then you can go into edit. And then you can change the name of the device there by whatever you want to change it to. So we're going to put it in the corner. Okay, and that's it, confirmed. Okay, so that's that done there. On here, what you want to do maybe is you don't want it upside down. So to turn it round, you hit it or tap it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it flips it the other way. Now you can see that little symbol there means it's actually connecting. Sorry, it's connecting to the gateway there. So the wireless, that's a wireless signal, yeah. And then that's the temperature adjusted there. But actually what you find is you don't really need to use this at all. It's all done on the app. So if I show you on the app, so we go back and we can see the room. Oh, I didn't save that. Hold on. Let me just save that. Change that again. Confirm that. Back. Okay, and automatically you see there's a temperature, so it's telling you 2 things. That's the temperature of the room, which is just measuring, and that's the temperature that I want to set it to, so I can go up or down to increase the temperature. Now obviously that only works if your central heating system is on, so you'll have a master control for the whole of your central heating system thermostat. Obviously that's going to be on, and then what this does is it controls the temperature in the room for the any way you want to control it. You've also got a program up here, so you can set it at different times of the day and different times of the week, so you can program it that way. You can have the programmer off if you want, and then you don't necessarily need the programmer on. It will still work. You can still set the temperature, and also you can switch it on and off here, so you can swipe across, just do that, and that's it completely off. Or you can swipe it on and that's turn it on. So that's sort of the basics of it, and then you can actually have a look at the history as it builds up, saying when it's on and when it's off and how efficiently it's being used. Okay, thank you.